I'm Jim Lichtenberg, Schooley Mitchell of Etna, Ohio, and I highly recommend Grismer Tires, located on East Broad Street in Columbus, Ohio, for any type of auto repair, tire maintenance work you may need. Personally, they've been helping my family for the past 8 years since we moved to the east side of Columbus. Greg and his staff has done a tremendous job making me feel comfortable with the work that he does, always explains it, has worked on making it a very positive experience for me and my family. So my wife has gone to him with car troubles, my son has as well, and he knows how to take care of his customers. And he goes the extra mile. If it's something that maybe another repair shop would charge you $50 for, or whatever it might be, he doesn't. He knows that helping out that little bit is building that relationship and makes you come back. And it's been making me come back year after year, and I don't trust anybody else with my vehicle like Grismer Tires.